शुद्धार्थ रतिदेव ने दिया करस्त थाल भी, तथा दधीचि ने दिया परार्थ अस्ति जाल भी। उशिना क्षितिज ने स्वमांस दान भी किया, सहर्ष वीर कर्ण ने शरीर चर्म भी दिया। अनित्य देह के लिए अनादि जीव क्या डरे, वही मनुष्य है जो मनुष्य के लिए मरे। So,
The poet says that mythology is full of examples of such persons who sacrificed their entire life for others, due to which they are remembered till date.
means कवि कहता है कि पौराणिक कथा माइथोलॉजिकल स्टोरीज आर फुल ऑफ उदाहरणों से भरी पड़ी है। व्हाट काइंड ऑफ उदाहरण? द पीपल हु सेक्रीफाइस देयर लाइफ फॉर अदर्स, जिन्होंने अपना पूरा जीवन दूसरों के लिए त्याग दिया, जिस कारण उन्हें आज तक याद किया जाता है। बिकॉज ऑफ दैट दे आर रिमेम्बर्ड टिल डेट। Who are the people? Who are that great people? So few examples are given here. I wrote in a point so you can learn it in this way so that it will be easy to remember all the names of the people which are mentioned in this stanza. So first is who? रति देव। फर्स्ट इज अ रति देव। भूख से परेशान रति देव ने अपने हाथ की आखिरी थाली भी दान कर दी थी। Now I wrote here in a point, but you write in a without point, but it is only for learning, made easy. It is only for your learning. I made 1, 2, 3, 4 point. This 4 examples. Now here I am explaining this line. After this, I'll just tell you the each story. Who is this Rati Dev? Who is Sage Dadichi? Okay. So first I am going to explain this paragraph. भूख से परेशान रति देव ने अपने हाथ की आखिरी थाली भी दान कर दी थी। So first who? रति देव. Who? रति देव troubled by hunger, भूख से परेशान. So what he had did? Rati Dev donated even the last plate, आखिरी थाल, the थाली, the plate, आखिरी थाल भी उन्होंने क्या कर दिया था? डोनेट कर दिया था, दान कर दिया था। So करहस्त का मीन, जो कर का मीनिंग होता है हैंड। So the last plate of his hand he donated. Though he was hungry, but what he did? He donated the whatever in his plate. I'll tell you the story, okay? Second, ददीची। वही ददीची ऋषि ने, ददीची ऋषि ने असुरों से रक्षा के लिए देवताओं को अपने हड्डियां दान कर दी थी। So this sage Dadichi had donated his bones, हड्डियां, bones, to the gods. Why? To protect them from the demons. महर्षि ददीची की हड्डियों से ही, महर्षि ददीची की हड्डियों से ही देवताओं ने वज्र, एक प्रकार का देवी अस्त्र बनाकर असुरों का संहार किया। So the meaning of this, that God made vajra, a type of divine weapon, from the bones of Maharishi Dadichi and killed the demons. Next, third example, उशीनर देश के राजा शिवी ने कबूतर की जान बचाने के लिए अपना पूरा मांस दान कर दिया था, अपने शरीर का पूरा मांस दान कर दिया था। So King Shivi of Ushinar country had donated his entire flesh to save the life of a small pigeon. Next, वीर कर्ण। वीर कर्ण ने अपनी खुशी से अपने शरीर का कवच दान कर दिया। वीर कर्ण had donated his body armor happily, सहर्ष, very happily he donated. Okay, so therefore कवि कहना चाहता है कि मनुष्य इस नश्वर शरीर के लिए क्यों डरता है? Then poet wants to tell that, then why does of man fear for this mortal body? Because मनुष्य वही कहलाता है जो दूसरों के लिए अपने आप को त्याग देता है. Because only he is called the real person who sacrifice himself for others.
Now I am going to tell you all the stories in briefly. So the first story is about Ratidev. Ratidev was the king, hungry for 48 days after a famine struck his kingdom. He donated everything and was left with no food. After 48 days, when he got little food, a hungry person arrived at his door and Ratidev gave his food and remained hungry. Now, the second story about Sage Dadiji. When the atrocities of demon Vrita increased and no one was able to kill him, Sage Dadiji donated his bones to make the weapon of Indra, that is Vajra. Vrita, the demon Vrita, had a boon that he could be killed if someone alive would donate his bones. Now, next story. King Ushinar, also known as King Shivi, donated his flesh to save a pigeon. When a hawk wanted to hunt a pigeon, it took shelter in King Ushinar's castle. And to save the pigeon, the king agreed to donate his flesh to the hawk. Next story, that is the last story in this stanza, that is a Veer Karna. When asked by Indra, the brave Karna agreed to donate the golden armor, which was attached to his skin by birth. When asked by Indra, he separated his armor from his skin to donate it. Karna was known for his greatness to donate anything if someone asked him. So, these all are the stories.